Greetings to all. This is Professor L. Harigopalakrishnan. Our subject Engineering Geology. Topic Mineralogy. Unit number 2. Actually, geology is having a wide area here. Mineralogy is a branch of geology. We shall study about how minerals are forming, what are the physical and chemical compositions of minerals, what are the engineering properties of the minerals, and so on. The sub-branches such as crystallography, optical mineralogy, descriptive mineralogy. Okay. A mineral is defined as this is naturally forming solid as well as inorganically forming material having definite internal structure and distinct chemical composition. Example, ice is a mineral but water is not a mineral. Ice is in solid state. Mercury and petroleum are the minerals in liquid state. Totally more than 2000 minerals on earth crust. The minerals in the form of crystal form, crystalline form and amorphous form. The formation of the minerals such as solidification, metamorphism and precipitation and evaporation. Physical properties of the minerals. This is our topic. Physical properties of minerals. Totally 13 important physical properties are there. We can easily identify the minerals by these properties. Color, streak, luster, hardness, cleavage, fracture, tenacity, specific gravity, structure, odor, fluorescence, phosphorescence, magnetism are the physical properties of minerals. Color of the mineral is due to the absorption and reflection of light. Streak, the color of the mineral powder is called a streak. The streak may or may not be the same as that of the mineral's color. Example, quartz is having the color of white or colorless, but the streak white in color. Pyrite, golden yellow in color, the streak black. Hematite, cherry red color, streak black. Luster is defined as the shining efficiency of mineral due to the intensity of the light from its surface. Example, vitreous luster, glaciocene and quartz. Pearly luster, pearly shine. Example, muscovite. Metallic luster, metallic shine. Example, magnetite. Hardness of the mineral is defined as the resistance against external force of the mineral. Resistance against external force. The scale of the hardness popularly known as Mohs scale. The Mohs scale of hardness, talc 1, gypsum 2, calcite 3, like that, the diamond is 10. In the scale, the higher hardness minerals will scratch lower hardness minerals. That is, diamond will scratch all the 9 materials, but talc will scratch none of the other materials. Cleavage is defined as the direction along which a mineral tends to break with smooth and plane surfaces. This is called as cleavage. Fracture is defined as the appearance of broken surface of the mineral in a direction other than the cleavage direction. That is called as fracture. Example, a type of fracture given, the appearance of the broken surface smooth and flat. Example, chert. Uneven, irregular. Example, fluorite. Tenacity is defined as the resistance of mineral to any external forces that tend to break, bend, cut, crush or deform it. Examples: brittle, powdered under hammer, calcite. Sectile, can be cut with knife, torque. Malleable, can be flattened under hammer, tin. Flexible, can be bent or deformed, clay. Elastic, regain original shape after removal of external force applied, mica. Plastic, does not regain original shape after removal of external force, clay. Specific gravity. Specific gravity is defined as the weight of the minerals in air to the loss of weight in water. Form and structure. Form is defined as the internal atomic structure of the mineral. The type of form: crystal form, crystalline form, and amorphous form. Structure. The physical appearance of the mineral in terms of its shape is referred as its structure. Example: acicular, this is a needle-like crystal. Example: natrolite. Bladed, blade-like structure. Example: granite. Botryoidal, resembling bunch of grapes. Example: silomelon. Columnar structure, column-like. Example: beryl. Foliated structure, like paper-thin sheets. Example: mica. Fibrous, made up of fibers. Example: asbestos, gypsum. Radiating, needle-like fibrous crystal. Example: anpyrites. Reniform, kidney-shaped aggregates. Example: hematite. Tabular, flattened, table-like structure. Example: calcite, barite, feldspar. Lamellar, thick leaf-like sheets. Example: vermiculite. Granular, densely packed small grains. Example: chromite. Mammillary, rounded grains overlapping in arrangements. Example: malachite. Next one, magnetism. Some minerals are naturally magnetic in character. Example: magnetite. Electricity, piezoelectricity and pyroelectricity. What is pyroelectricity? Minerals producing electric charge when heat applied are called pyroelectricity. Example: quartz tourmaline. Piezoelectricity, when pressure applied, certain minerals will glow. Example: fluorite. Fluorescence, when exposed to the sun radiation, certain minerals will glow. The glowing tendency is called as fluorescence. Example: fluorite. Phosphorescence, some minerals continue to glow even when bringing to dark room after exposure to sun's radiation. Example: diamond. Thank you so much. Thank you to all.